Hello students, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study what are the main pigment present in the green part of the plant, and we will also see what will they appear in the chromatogram. How to separate this pigment? So these pigments are separated by paper chromatography. So first let us understand the basic. When light meet matter, what will happen? Either it will be reflected or it is transmitted or it is absorbed. So see in the diagram, this is a light, either it is reflected or it is transmitted or it is absorbed. The substance which absorb the visible light, those substances are known as pigment. Now, we should separate them, then only we can identify it. So we will try to separate these pigments with the help of paper chromatography. Main pigments are of four types. Chlorophyll A will appear as blue-green in chromatogram. Chlorophyll B will appear as yellow-green. Xanthophylls will appear as yellow color and carotenoid will appear as yellow to yellow-orange. Now here I just want to give you one learning tips. Please remember chlorophyll A should be with the B, blue-green. Is it clear? Because in the option when they give you, you should remember A with the B. This much is clear now? Now let us see other pigments. See, the main pigment is chlorophyll and carotenoids. Chlorophyll are of different type. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, C, D, and A. In which chlorophyll A, if you see, it is a bluish green pigment in the chromatogram. It is universal pigment. It is primary photosynthetic pigment and it is most abundant pigment. Why we say universal? Because it is present in all photosynthetic organisms except eubacteria. Why we say it is primary photosynthetic pigment? Because it is the one which is going to convert light energy into chemical energy. Is it clear? If you see the diagram here, please focus here. It is having porphyrin ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 porphyrin ring are there. With the center, magnesium is present in the atomic form and a long hydrocarbon tail. In the second ring, you will find only one change. Methyl group is present in the chlorophyll A, and in place of methyl group, aldehyde is present in chlorophyll B. For synthesis of chlorophyll A, you want simplest amino acid, that is glycine, which will combine with succinyl coenzyme A to form protochlorophyll, which in the presence of light will change into chlorophyll A. It means light is necessary for the synthesis of chlorophyll. Other minerals are also required like magnesium, iron, and nitrogen. Now let us see about the next important pigment, that is carotenoids. Two types of carotenoids are there. One is xanthophyll, which is yellow color. Another is carotene, which is yellow-orange. They are present in the chloroplast along with the chlorophyll, and they are also seen in the chromoplast. So they are present inside chromoplast and they are present inside chloroplast also. They are also universal, just like chlorophyll, but except in eubacteria, they are present in all photosynthetic organisms. And main important difference is that light is not necessary for their synthesis. But these pigments, which are known as accessory pigments, they are known as shield elements, or they are also known as antenna molecule. They are very, very important. Reason is, what is the importance of this? They are making photosynthesis more efficient. How? By absorbing different wavelength. Then they work as a shield pigment. Why we say? Because they protect chlorophyll A. They protect chlorophyll A from photooxidation. Is it clear? They protect from the photooxidation, and they also protect chlorophyll by dissipating excessive light energy. So these are the two main pigments, chlorophyll and carotenoid, which is universal, present in every green photosynthetic organism except in eubacteria. So I hope so this video has helped you to understand how to separate the pigment and what are the main pigment present in green part of the plant. Now let us discuss few questions based on it. So leaf pigments are separated by, already we have studied, it is by paper chromatography. Then we have to match. The chlorophyll A will appear as blue-green. It will appear as blue-green. So you will write A is matching. Then B will appear as yellow-green. Clear beta? Yellow-green. So you will write C. Then carotenoids will be yellow-orange. You will write D here. And xanthophyll will be yellow, B. So which is the right answer? You will find the option B is the right answer for it. I hope so this video has helped you to understand what are the pigments, how we can separate, and questions also model is clear to you. Thanks for watching.